Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market today and help my traders to make amazing profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move to three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD, if you look at the 4-hour, if you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, we were short here and buying beautiful pips. As you can see here, price nicely respected support level, because if you look at technically overall the bigger picture, we have a huge consolidation from last 2 weeks, but within these consolidations, being an intraday trader, we squeezed some nice pippies. You can see here we had a short trade here, and afterwards was as soon as the price reversed, that's what I explained to my trader. If the price gonna break this level and retest, which it did, we're looking a pullback. We had also this breakout trade, few pp's, and we also had this pullback at the at the New York session today. So we had this two long trade here. Once we see the price respect this support level, our bias develop along within the this major consolidation. So we had an amazing profit long at the New York session today, and at the Asian session we also had this breakout. Let me share with you the analysis. Even if you look at the analysis from, this is the analysis we had short yesterday, and after the price reverse, as you can see, price came back at the 200 EMA. Even in intraday we have this breakout and few pp's, and in the London morning session I explained to my trader we have price broken this level. As you can see here, we're looking here at this level, a pullback coordinate with the major support level. Previously price respected here many times. You can see here that's level, so we're expecting a first priority would be the pullback. But let's say if the price gonna break, and after the breakout price retest give us the confirmation, then we're looking a short, otherwise pullback. So that's what we announced, pullback through live audio commentary, buying beautiful pairs while the price was at this level. Most of the traders were asking questions, probably is gonna shoot down, so I updated that analysis based on the request of my traders. As you can see here, just after the New York session, I explained to my trader, look for these levels to break out, otherwise look for pullback here, because price was above the 200 EMA. As you can see here, price refused to break this level. As mentioned on the analysis, we have this breakout. Our target was the previous high, as you can see in 4-hour, as you can see in fib channel, and that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy profit. So you can see here we had a beautiful long trade on EURUSD. Let's move into the pound dollar. And if you look at the pound dollar, and if you look at the 4-hour chart, we had beautiful yesterday we had a short trade here, and afterwards, as you can see here, price refused to stay below this level. We had a long trade here. Today we were expecting another pullback at this level, which price nicely developed. We had a short trade too once the price respected the resistance level previous high. We also had a very small short trade here. At the New York session we had a long trade here. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market in intraday. And if you look at here in intraday, let me make it slightly bigger. Okay, so this is the trade last night for the Asian session. I explained to my trader, so look for this level is broken even in 4-hour. So we're looking here breakout, because the momentum is developed bullish. So we had this breakout. After the breakout we also had a pullback long trade here. So this morning I explained to my trader it's time to bank some profit, because the price nicely hit to the previous high in 4-hour, and this is the trade we have taken it long here, bank some few good pippies, and afterwards once the price reverse, and as explained to my trader, look for this breakout. And again, this is the previous high. You can see here we're looking this breakout, and you can see price nicely broken. If you look at it in more detail, price broken after the breakout, this previous high, and retest. That gives us the confirmation we have taken a short trade here, and we bank some few pp's as soon as the price hit to this level, which is the previous at the major support level. And afterwards I explained to my trader, let's wait for the news, and let's see what's happening. You can see here this is the news reaction, and you can see here price night, and that's what I explained to trader, look for here pullback, and if the price gonna break this orange EMA, taking a short trade here. Otherwise, if the price gonna break and retest, then we're taking a long trade here. And what happened here, let me make it slightly bigger here. If you look at here, the price broken, and this is the previous recent high. Price failed to break this level, and the orange EMA, which we were looking at this breakout, taking a short trade here, but price refused. As soon as the price broken, as you can see here, price broken and came back here and retest without changing the color, candlestick color, and that's what we'll explain here, as you can see here. And that's what we had announced through live audio commentary, that the price refused to go down. So we have this breakout. So it's the time to take a long trade here. So most of the traders really enjoyed it. As soon as the price hit to the previous high at the Bollinger, at the fib channel, blue fib channel, that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit. As you can see here, that's the in detail we explained through live audio commentary. Even now, explained to my trader, looks like the price is going to break the previous high. You can see it's sort of like the price is developing information or the bullish engulfing candle. As you can see, tomorrow, if the price is going to stay above this level, then we're going to keep taking a pullback. So we'll let you know tomorrow. But because you can see here, we had an amazing trade today and the yesterday on pound dollar. Dollar CAD, we had interesting trade, guys. As you can see here in dollar CAD, yesterday, you can watch my analysis yesterday. The video link is given in the video description. So we had a very small trade yesterday, then afterward long trade here. Then we were expecting, as always, after the breakout, we were expecting a pullback short trade here. That's why in our analysis and explain to my trader the safest way look for if the price gonna break this level, which we have taken a short trade, bank few PPs. And after today, after the news, we can see the dollar weaknesses. We also have taken this breakout short trade, and let me share with you how I analyze market in intraday. And most of the traders are still holding short on dollar CAD. And if you look at the dollar CAD, let me explain to you. All right, so this is the analysis I did last night. Once the price hit at the major resistance level in 4 hour, as you can see here, that's the price develop a sideways market, and that's what I explained to my trader. If the price gonna break, then keep taking a pullback. So you can see here we have a breakout. After the breakout, pullback, and as soon as the price hit this level, that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit, and let's wait for the news. As you can see here, I keep updating this analysis, same analysis. You can see here that analysis, and afterwards I keep updating, pushing my trader not to miss any opportunity, look for another pullback. So you can see here we have another pullback, and as you can see at the New York session, just before the news, I explained to my trader, look for this breakout and be prepared, be careful for the false breakout. There is a still possibility, and if the price gonna stay below this 200 EMA, we are looking at short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely came back here and respected this 200 EMA. We have this breakout. After the breakout, we have a pullback, and once the trader missed this opportunity, I also update that analysis instantly, just to make sure the maximum trader can take maximum benefit. I also did this analysis, look for pullback, and that analysis is here. As you can see here, explain to my trader, look for pullback, and that's the first priority. And if the price break and retest this, create a false breakout, then long here. Otherwise, we are expecting a short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely develop a pullback short trade here. As soon as the price broken this previous low and hit to the weekly support line, that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit. As you can see, guys, how we analyze the market in 4 hour, define the price section, and how we refine the entries and exit in our intraday system, and banking tips every single day. I hope, guys, you enjoyed this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time with a live audio commentary support, with a live intraday analysis. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded. And if you are interested how I coach and train my traders with the live market, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description, so most welcome. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, guys. And join my free fast growing trader community, and thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.